Okay. A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to EVS class, all the children. Yeah, very good. Most of the children did not ready for the class. Those who are ready for the class, all are on your videos. Amma. Veni Yadav, Durgapati Bhavani, who is that? On your videos, Juveria, Satvik, all are on your videos now. Okay. So today, I'm going to teach. I'm going to continue this topic. Okay. So previous I taught lesson. No? What is the lesson name? Yeah, very good, Manisha. Family and friends, isn't it? So now here I am writing family and friends lesson topic. Family and friends. Okay. In this lesson, first I taught what is families. What is a family and different types of families, family tree, paternal and maternal relatives, and relationships in a family, isn't it? I said this all, and now so previous I taught changes in the family. I explained. So now that topic only I'm going to continue this class also. What is the topic name? Changes in the family. Okay. Yeah, if I changes in the family. So what topic here I'm explaining? Changes in the family. So there are various factors that lead to a change in the family. Okay, various factors are there. Already I said about what are the marriages. I explained already. Isn't it, students? Marriages I explained. After the marriage, so what are the changes in the family? I explained. Okay. Now here I am going to explain second one. Birth of a baby. Okay. What is the second changes in the family? Birth of a baby. Now here I am going to explain second one. Birth of a baby. Okay, so this is birth of a baby. So here the birth of a baby brings joy in the family. Joy. When it is a new baby, born a baby, it brings joy, in happiness in the family. The family structure also changes immediately. What happened? So your father side, for example, father side means paternal side. So paternal side, when born a new baby, immediately the family members are increased. For example, in your family, only grandparents, okay, grandparents and parents, okay, and children only living in your family. For example, in this children it's only one kid. Okay, so grandparents are two and parents are two, four and one kid. One child only is there in the family. So one. Again new baby came, no? So another one children, extra plus one, add another one. So now here family members are increased. Isn't it, children? When birth of a baby, the birth of a baby uh, enter into the house, what happened? The family members are increased. So extra one member added. Isn't it, children? So this one also changes in the families. Isn't it, students? So that is all the family members. So all the family members help the mother. Must help the mother because of and take responsibilities of the mother. Also extra work. What is that? So new baby also came. No, so she is also she have extra responsibilities. How we can see when born a baby immediately. So something some other different responsibilities are, isn't it, students? So that is a take care of all the needs of the baby. The mother takes care of all the needs of the baby. Okay, and all the family members also must help the mother. So this is birth of a baby. First, all the children sit properly. Rampaka Svecha Pravas. Sit properly. Next one is transfer to a new place. What is the next one? Transfer to a new place. Third. What is the third one? Transfer to a transfer to a new place. Transfer to a new place. Sometimes a family has to move to another place. Sometimes a family has a move to another place. It is because of a family members is in a transferable jobs. Is it children? For example, you live in your village, but your father got a job in Hyderabad. Okay, your father got a job. So what you are doing? Your family only shifting that another place. Isn't it, children? So your family shift. What happened? Another place. The family has to move to another place. Isn't it, students? So here it is because a family member is in transferable job. Due to this, either the whole family moves or only the husband and wife and children only move to another place. Isn't it, children? So only, for example, some of the families have shifted from one place to another place. Isn't it, students? One place to another place. Some of the parents shifted one place to another place with their whole family. Whole family means some of the living joint families. So they are move all family members. But in the some families are move only husband and wife and their kids. And their kids only move these children only. These people only. Okay? Why? For what? For what is the reason? Because of they got a job. For example, they got a promotion or they got a job. Isn't it, student? So this type marriages, birth of a baby, transfer to a new place. Did you understand? So, and next one, some of the families are move. Either the whole family move or only the husband and wife and kids are moved to another places. Did you understand? This is about transfer to a new place. Okay, students, this is transfer to a new place. Next one is fourth one. The fourth one is adaptation. What is fourth one? Adaptation. Okay, students. So now here, adaptation is a process by which people become legal parents of a child. Legal parents of a child who is not born to them. For example, adoption means you know very well that once again I am explaining. Sometimes the parents are not able to have their own child. Isn't it, children? Some parents are not have own child. So they adopt another child. Adopt a child. They bring up the child as their own. These parents are called foster parents. Now here I am writing this topic. Who are foster parents? Foster parents means children. They bring up the child. They bring up the child. Okay, they bring up the child as their own. They bring up the child as their own. Okay, they bring up the child as their own. These parents are called these parents are called foster parents. These parents are called foster parents. Okay, students, what are foster parents here? So I already said adoption is a process by which people become legal parents of your child. Means who is not born to them. Some of the parents are not born to child, isn't it, students? So that parents, sometimes that parents are not able to, unable to have their own child, isn't it? So they adopt a child. So they bring from that another places. For example, some of the another ashramam like that is there. Na? From there too, they bring up the child. Okay, so they bring up the child as their own. So these parents are called the foster parents. Did you understand, children? What are the foster parents? So adopted children get all the love and care, and they need and become a part of the family. Okay, so here they leads to a change in the family. Immediately what happened? There are, for example, that people are leaving the hostel or any places. So when they are again these foster parents, when they are adopted these small kids, immediately they leads to change in the family, isn't it, students? And they need and love and care. They need adopted children get all the love and care they need and become a part of this family. Okay, students. So here these leads to a changes in the families. So now here already I said these are the changes in the families. What is the first one? Marriages. Marriages are changes in the family, and birth of a baby. But birth of a baby also changes in the families, and transfer to new place. Okay, and next one is adoption. So these 4 points are very important. Did you understand, children? So here what I'm explained just how to changes in the families. So first one is a marriages, birth of a baby, transfer to a new place, and adoption. So these all are the changes in the families. You know very well, a family is important for all of us, isn't it, students? A family is important for all of us. A family fulfills all our needs. Okay, gives us comfort. And you see, you are not live in your house alone, isn't it? So for example, when you enter your house, your mother is not there. You are searching for your mother, isn't it? So where is my mother? Where is my mother? You call always. Why? Because she gives comfort, and father also. So if father is not came in the evening also, you are thinking others, where is father? You are asking your mother, isn't it, children? So these all are the importance of a family. Okay, a family is important of all of us, and a family fulfills all our needs and gives us comfort, isn't it, students? Gives us comfort and a safety and happiness. Okay, when we live in the families, it gives us safety and happiness, isn't it? And our family members always there to share our joys and sad sorrows. Okay, our bad feelings also share our parents, and our what is the good feelings also share our parents, isn't it, children? So we also learn many values in your family. We learn moral values in your family also, isn't it, students? So these all are the importance of a family. Did you understand, students? So what here I am explaining, a family is important for all of us. That is all I am explaining. Importance of a family. What is importance of a family? When we live with our family, so we share our all everything, isn't it? And it gives a comfort. It gives a comfort. Yeah. It gives comfort, and we share our good things and sorrows, everything. Is it? And when we live in a family, we are very happy, isn't it, students? Okay. So this is about changes in a family. Did you understand today's session? What I said? changes in the family and explain, and importance of a family I explain. Okay, students? So changes in the family, marriages, birth of a baby and transfer to a new place and adoption. So these are the changes in a family. Okay, and next one, importance of a family. Also I said importance also family. It gives a comfort and it is very important to all of us. A family is important for all of us. And a family fulfills all our needs. For example, you know very well, your mother, if you want anything, your mother gives you, your father gives you. Isn't it, students? And another neighbors are not gives you. Isn't it? What gives this? What do you want? Your father and your mother will give that everything. So support. So then gives us comfort and safety also. Isn't it? And next one, and happiness. So when we live in a family, we are very happy. And our family members are always there to share our everything. Means everything means how I said good feelings and sorrows. Means if we are crying and everything we can share. Isn't it? We also learn many values in a family. Is it correct, students? So these all are the importance of a family. Okay, students. So family values. Family values. What are the? A family is the first school of a child. First, you are when you are born, you immediately not come to school. Isn't it? First, you are living your family with your up to 4 years. 0 to 4 years, you live with your family only. You're walking, what you're eating, everything you learn in your family only. So that is why a family is the first school of the child. Not our school is not first school. First your family is your first school, isn't it? And afterwards, our second school is our school. Our second home is our school. So a child learns many things in a family. So a child learns some things by observing the elders. So you know very well, if your mother, say your, for example, your mother, when you're, I think in your houses, small kids are your youngest brothers also are there. So what your mother is doing, your brothers also do like that only, maybe. Isn't it? For example, you say ma means your brother also say like that only. Isn't it? So what your mother is doing, your brother or your youngest children also follow that one only. Isn't it, students? Kids also followed that. So here, a child learns some things by observing the elders. Learn many things in a family. A child learns some things by observing the elders, while some things are taught to him or her. Your mother also taught some other things. So eat food. You can walk. You can jump. You can sing. Isn't it? These type of things. Your mother is a first teacher. Isn't it? Your mother is a first teacher. Your house is a first school. Because of up to 4 years, you learn everything in your house only. Your home only, you learn everything. Gangapuram, Komali, Sitravali. So, here, and next one is, these things are called values. So, everything you learn in your family, no? So, these things are called values. What is that? Values. And next are values or sanskars. 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 Okay? Our family members are always. So every family has some values that are passed on the children of next generation also. So some of the families are from the past to they follow some other rules in the houses. Isn't it? For example, some other people are lived in some other, for example, some other families' children. They lived from the past to they all are sitting in one place and they are into at least daily means dinner time. So they are followed from this past to. If any work is there, automatically, so that is a changing from first generation to past to again present also. So there are some of the follow from the past generation too also. Isn't it? Every family has some values that are passed on to the children of next generation. You know very well, already I said, parents are the second generation. So first, grandparents are the first generation. So grandparents, what they are followed, so second generation also followed that only. Immediately followed that. For example, already I said some other examples. So they all are eat at a place, sit and eat at least weekly once. So what happened immediately? The second generation also followed like that only. Isn't it, students? So these all are the from the past to continue the kids also. Third generation also they are also learned from the second generation. Means your grandparents have followed some other rules, no? So your parents also automatically, your parents also, if your father, grandparents are not there or not there, your parents also follow that one. And from their parents to learn kids also. Did you understand, students? So here the values that the children learn are honesty. These values have a lot of influence on their personalities later on in their life. The values that the children learn are honesty, politeness, courtesy, tolerance, responsibilities, good manners, sharing, helping each other, respecting everyone, patience and kindness. So these all are values. Now what are the values here I am writing to you? Shall I wrap this book? Yeah. Did you complete? Right, fast. What are the values here? These values have a lot of influence on their personalities later on in their life. So what are the learned children from the past do? Past means you know that some are the values. Okay, what are the values here I'm telling you. Okay. Okay, children. Now here I am writing changes in the family is completed now. So next one is values here I am writing. Now first one is honesty. Honesty. Nijaiti. Honesty under. Next politeness. So these all are the values. Courtesy. Next tolerance. Next responsibility. Okay. Next good manners. Okay. Good manners. And next one is sharing. Sharing. And help each other. This one is Pina, na? Help each other. Okay. And next respecting everyone. Okay, respecting everyone and patience. Patience and kindness. Okay, students. So these all are the values. What are the values here? honesty, politeness, courtesy, tolerance, responsibility, good manners, sharing, help each other, respecting everyone, patience, kindness. These all are the values. So we learn these all are the from family. So that is why family values. These all are the family values. Okay, students. Did you understand today's session? So lesson is completed. What is the lesson name? Family and friends. So once again I will repeat this lesson. What I explained, just I am telling headings. Okay. So different types of a family. What are how many different types of family? Three. Small family, joint family, single parent family. Next one is family tree. Okay. Family tree I explained nuclear family and joint family. And next relatives, paternal and maternal relatives I explained. Next one, relationships in a family. Okay, next families there and families then and now. Means past is a joint families, present is a most of the families are nuclear families. Okay, next changes in the families. So marriages, birth of a baby, and next transfer up to a new place and adoption. Okay, next one, importance of a family, family values. You write this first. Amen. Write fast. Okay, students. So this is the total lesson. What is the lesson name? Family and friends. Write fast, children. Okay, students. I hope you all are understood today's session. And if you have any doubts, also you tomorrow you will ask me. I will give hard words. So first I will ask doubts, and afterwards only I will give hard words. Okay, students. Thank you. Shivateja, tomorrow you ask me doubt. Already time over, no? Okay. Thank you, children. Now I am going to end this class. Thank you.